Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and receiving an email from a company in another country offering you a remote job. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But for thousands of people around the world, this is already their reality. So, why isn't it happening for you? In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes that stop people from getting remote jobs and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stay with me until the end, because one small change could completely transform your job search. The truth is, getting a remote job isn't just about sending out hundreds of applications. Many talented people are rejected, not because they aren't qualified, but because they're making simple mistakes without even realizing it. The good news is, every one of those mistakes can be fixed. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Mistake number 1, using a generic CV for every application. Most employers can tell within a few seconds whether your CV was written specifically for their job or copied and sent to dozens of companies. If your CV doesn't match the job description, your application may never be seen by a real person. Mistake number 2, applying for jobs without researching the company. Before you submit, take a few minutes to learn about the company, their mission, their values, and the skills they're looking for. This simple step can help you write a stronger application and increase your chances of getting an interview. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. Many people apply for 5 jobs or 10 jobs and stop because they don't get a response. But successful remote workers keep improving, keep learning, and keep applying until they get the right opportunity. Remember, every rejection is one step closer to your next yes. Now you know the 3 biggest mistakes that stop many people from getting remote jobs. The good news is, you can start fixing them today. If this video helped you, subscribe to Smart Hustle Hub and turn on notifications. Every week, I'll show you practical strategies, trusted resources, and real opportunities to help you get closer to your first remote job. If you have a question or you're facing a challenge, leave it in the comments below. I read every comment, and I'm here to help. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving, and never stop chasing the opportunities that can change your life.